Probably like, 2 something.
Classic vibes. 101.4. Egypt, the land of mystery, the home of the pyramids, the birthplace of Cleopatra. Come play with us in the Pharaoh's kingdom. Relax in one of our tomb-themed saunas. Sleep the sleep of kings in one of our custom sarcophagi.
The Trap Casino and Hotel in Las Vegas. Add a little Egypt to your life.
Hello, Vegas. It's me again, Barry Jones. Not sure if you got that little shake-up earlier.
This.
This is 92.2 The Dub Factory, and up next is Bad Machine by Stone Giant.
Must have heard.
I leave smelling of cigarettes and beer. Sometimes I leave covered in the sweat of strangers. I need to wash up, but I don't want the partying to stop, you know? Lucky for me, there's the Wob Dub Ducky. The rubber ducky that's jacked up with speakers so I can wash my something while the room is pumping. You should go get one. And no, they didn't pay me money to say that. I just love it. Really, I do. I'm serious. Anyway.
Deployed in 92.2. 92.2.
Oi! It's a very special day for your favourite dubstep DJ. You see, it's the 2-year anniversary since I came to this fantastic country from my native land of England. And it has not disappointed. America has provided me with so many blondes, redheads, brunettes. So I say hooray to America, and hooray to having a charming English accent.
Factory. 92.2.
I've travelled a lot in my days, and the one tune that's always cut me from Heathrow to McCarran is this one. City to City by Some Boy. Dig it!
Moments when I look at my kids and think, maybe they really are mine. A night out in the desert with my Betty. Just me and my music.
Let me take that beauty off your hands.
Wait!
Hi, I'm Albie Rachano of Albie's Pawn Closet. My family is...